Hi everyone and good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and I am doing well too. You know, I have been learning this language for 5 months. It means I have been practicing English language for 5 months. But I feel I am not improving anything. Sometimes I feel I am not improving anything, anything. But sometimes I am improving a lot. When I make a mistake, I realize I am improving. When I make a mistake, and in every video, I make a lot of mistake. A lot of mistake means a lot of mistake. When I watch my video, I realized yes, I am making mistake here. I made a mistake there. That's why I make a video and I upload on my YouTube channel. And this video is especially for me. Yes, this video is especially for me. In the future, I'll compare myself. This is the main reason I upload my video on YouTube. And I hope someone will watch my video and someone will comment say your English is poor, your English is good, or where you are making mistake. Yes, that's why this is the reason. This is the another reason to upload my video, right? And I have heard shadowing practice mirror technique and yeah, a lot, but I don't use. I watch, I watch, I watch movies, but I don't watch English movie. Sometimes I watch cartoon, but but I don't copy them because when I watch a movie, I have no any clue why I don't copy them. Why? I should copy them, but yeah, from today onwards, when I will watch the any English content, I practice. I will practice this or that content. I want to watch English content a lot, but I don't have much time to watch any English content. But when I get time, I watch. And sometimes I try to speak in my daily routine. I don't have practice partner and sometimes I use peer app, but nowadays I am busy. I can't talk to anyone on peer app for personal reason. Due to some reason, I can't tell you reason, but after 3 or 4 months, I will practice on peer app. Then I will upload that video on my YouTube channel. But nowadays, I don't use Peer app. I, I create some stories and I create some unreal characters and then I practice. I don't have any friend who speak English. I don't have any friends. That's why I explain anything in English. I try to explain anything in English. When I try to speak anything in English, I show you. In my previous video, uh, I showed you explaining methods, and it helps me to improve my communication skills and English fluency journey. You know, in my videos there is no any perfections and there is no any suggestion for anyone, because I am learning, I am not a fluent. I am practicing here. In every video I practice, and at right now I am practicing, and in my every videos I practice. That's why I can't give any suggestions, because I am still English learner, so I can't give any suggestions to improve your communication skills. But what I know about this language, I give you. And I I read some comments that your English is not good. Your way of speaking is not good. I realize, yes, I am learning something new, because when I read that comments, I realize, yeah, I made a mistake and I should point out, I should correct it, and I try to correct. Okay, so in my opinion, in my perspective, English is most important. You know, I don't focus on mistake. I focus on fluency. I don't much follow grammar rules. I follow both. You know, I follow little bit grammar rules and I follow fluency. I can say I follow both. And I am not fluent in this language. I have told you that. And my mother's tongue is English. That's why grammar is very important for me. In my initial days, I learned English with the help of grammar. First of all, in my starting time, I learned tense. Yes, tense helps me a lot to improve my English. You know, it tells us rules. It tells us only if I know tense, I can speak near about 30 or 40% English with the help of tense. I can make a lot of sentence. That's why tense is very important and English grammar is very important. Most of the person says grammar is not important. I consider grammar is not important, but when your mother's tongue is Hindi, when your mother's tongue is like Urdu, Marathi, Punjabi, Kannada, Oriya, then what? How can you practice English? How can you learn English? How will you learn English? That question is arise. That that questions will arise, right? So yeah, my mother's tongue is not English. My mother tongue is Hindi. That's why I follow grammar rules, and with the help of grammars, I learned English. I am at a right now at a present time. I am focusing on some grammar rules, some advanced English structure, vocabs, idioms, phrases, a lot. And you know very well, if you know very well about me. I am teacher and I teach lower classes of, I can say I teach from class 1 to 5th grade student. So especially I teach English subject, and I love story, and I am fond of reciting story, telling a story. Yes, I am fond of. That's why sometimes I make a video about a story, and I love to explain a story in Hindi, because when I teach my student story, when I teach any story, I explain in Hindi. When I explain Hindi, my student my student get happy. That's why I I explain story in Hindi in my video. And someone asked me, uh, why you explained this story in Hindi? Why? Then want to tell you I want to tell you I love it. I love it to explain any story, any English story in Hindi, because I love my mother's tongue. I love Hindi. This is the main reason I translate everything in Hindi, and I try to translate everything in English, right? And you know I want to practice tense. Yes. Uh, I should try to explain tense. I love to teach. I love to teach. That's why I teach in a school, and I want to teach on my YouTube channel, and I am learning this language. Apart from it, I want to teach. So, according to me, this is the best platforms to express anything, to express any idea, to express any content. This is the best platform. When any person who knows different passions, different contents, or different idea, they can express ideas, they can solutions. So yeah, this is the best this is the best source, I can say. This is the best platforms, and I am learning this language with the help of mobile. When I don't know anything, I use YouTube. When I feel stuck, I watch a lot of video, and then I realize, yeah, I am making mistake here. I am making mistake. So this video, I am I am going to wrap this video, because I speak a lot according to me. So bye bye. See you in the next video.